Namaskar, dear aspirants, and welcome. Today, we're going to be dissecting a really crucial topic for your GS3 economy paper, India's evolving foreign trade policy. And we're not just going to cover the news, we will analyze exactly how you can use this information to score those high marks in your mains exam and, of course, the interview. So let's begin.
So here is our roadmap. We'll kick things off with the big picture of India's new trade strategy. Then we'll break down all the key components, and we'll wrap it up with a direct application for your exam preparation. Okay, let's dive into this. The government is signaling a major push in its international trade negotiations. It's a whole new ballgame, really. Aspirants, this statement you see here, this is the absolute crux of the matter. The term preferential access is key. Just think of it like this. It means lower tariffs and much easier market entry for Indian goods compared to our competitors. It's a huge advantage.
So which countries are we actually talking about? Well, the minister highlighted several key negotiations that are happening right now.
Just notice the momentum here. For your answers, this is a perfect example of a proactive foreign economic policy. We're moving beyond those big, slow, multilateral forums to lock in these bilateral free trade agreements, or FTAs.
All right, let's move on and see how this all builds into tangible benefits for the Indian economy right here at home.
So the crucial point is that these FTAs are designed to give our Indian industries a significant competitive edge in the global markets. And this directly, and I mean directly, links to Make in India and the entire strategy of export-led growth.
And this just brilliantly illustrates the real-world impact. We're not talking about small changes. We're talking about a massive 45,000 crore rupees in production from the Tirupur textile hub alone. This means massive job creation and production boosts in our key industrial clusters.
Now, what's really interesting is the nuanced approach that's being taken towards foreign investment, particularly when it comes from China.
The policy is a balancing act. You see, it balances the need for capital and technology transfer with our national security and other strategic considerations. So it's not an open door, but a very, very carefully regulated one.
Now, this is the most important section for you aspirants. How do you convert all of this knowledge into actual marks? Let's break it down.
You have to think about the syllabus. This single topic, it connects to multiple areas that you need to cover. So when you write your answer, explicitly using these keywords from the syllabus is so important. It shows the examiner that you have a deep understanding of the topic's relevance.
Please use this four-step structure. It's logical, it covers all the dimensions, and it will allow you to build a comprehensive and, hopefully, a very high-scoring answer. And of course, for your personality test, you have to be prepared for these kinds of analytical questions. You see, there is no single right answer, but your reasoning must be balanced and it must be well supported. All the very best.